Good day everyone, today I have a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to remove Google Chrome extensions. It's really quite simple to do. We'll jump over to Google Chrome here, and maybe you have some extensions up here that you'd like to get rid of. You don't use them any longer. Let's go ahead and show you how to get rid of them. So the first thing we need to do, up in the very top right hand corner, you'll see three little dots. You can go ahead and left click on that with your mouse, and it's going to give you a little menu off to the side here, and you can go through this menu and you should see the option here that says more tools. When you hover over that, it's going to extend the menu, and you should see in this small little menu here extensions. So go ahead and left click on extensions, and it's going to show you all the extensions that you have installed in Google Chrome. Now, maybe you don't actually fully want to get rid of the extension because you might want it a couple months down the road. You can turn it off and then come back and turn it on later. So for example, Google Translate here, we could go ahead and just hit this toggle switch here with the left mouse button, and it's going to turn it off. So now Google Translate is turned off, and we could left click on that again and it would turn it right back on. Now to fully remove a Chrome extension, you can go ahead right here. It says remove. If you go ahead and left click on that, it's going to ask you to remove Google Translate up here in the top right hand corner. You can just go ahead and hit remove, and it's going to fully remove that extension from Google Chrome. Now, if you did remove something that you do want back, you can head back over to the Chrome extension store. So just do a search for Chrome extensions, Chrome Web Store, and you can search for whatever app you'd like to put back on there. Maybe I would like to put that Translate back on there. We'll just do a search for that. And there it is, Google Translate. We'll left click on that, hit add to Chrome, add extension, and now that's right back there in all our extensions here in Chrome. So I hope this video did help you out in removing extensions in Google Chrome. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.